Hey y'all, got something cool here from Remette. Let's check it out. Alright y'all, what we got here is the Remette RT Aurora 14C 28 in blade steel. Check out those beautiful G10 covers. I love that pattern on there. Very nice. I liked how the liners are inset. Very nice. Got a reversible pocket clip, inset, flush screws. I like how they got the insert there for the other side, so it's nice and smooth. Check out those thumb studs. Really super nice. Very nice crossbar lock. Check out that blade. That ceramic sand blasted appearance looks really super nice. Clip point. Got some nice jimping on the blade. Check it out. Got some jimping there for when you want to choke up on it. Blade's got a nice belly to it. Really good slicer. Very nice pokey blade. You know me, I like a pokey blade. Really great action. Thumb stud deployment's really nice. It's a really beautiful knife. Got a nice little pin there for you putting a lanyard on there if you want. Blade center is perfect. Very nice lockup. This does have adjustable Omega springs. Feels really good in the hand. No hot spots. Nice chamfering. Really nice. Fits the hand really well. And choke up. Really nice. Pinch grip works well. Really good slicer. Get in there with the tip if you need to. Really good size. It's only 3.37 ounces. Close length 4.72 inches. Blade length 3.35 inches, which is really good blade length. Overall open length 7.909 inches. This is a really wonderful knife. If you ask me, the quality is just as good as their more expensive knives. They don't skimp on quality. It just feels really good quality in the hand. They're not going to skimp just because we got 14C28 in blade steel and G10 liners. It's very well made. I really like it. What do y'all think? The Remette RT Aurora. Wonderful knife. All right, y'all. If you come this far, I appreciate it. Hit the like button. If not already, subscribe to my channel. It means a whole lot to me. And if you would, check out the videos getting ready to pop up so you can see more cool knives like the Remette RT Aurora. All right, y'all. Have a wonderful day. And remember, live life on the edge. Stay sharp. Bye now.